Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Google Chrome not loading pages problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of three steps. The first step is to clear site cache files. To do this, open up Chrome, click on the three dot icon and scroll down and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side scroll down and select third party cookies. Scroll down and select see all site data and permissions. In here you need to type the site name that is not loading. For example, I just typing GitHub. Click on the trash icon and select delete it guys. After doing this, let's move on to the second step. The second step is to turn off hardware acceleration. To do this, on left side select system. On right side use graphics acceleration when available. You just need to turn it off. After turn offing the graphics acceleration, select relaunch. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to turn off unnecessary extensions. To do this, you just need to click on the three dot icon and select extensions. Select manage extensions. In here you need to turn off all extensions guys, especially ad blockers. Extensions might block sites from loading. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to change DNS address guys. To do this, open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon. Scroll down and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down and select security. You just need to scroll down, turn on the use secure DNS. After turning on, select DNS provider, click on this drop down and select Google public DNS, or you can also select the Cloudflare DNS guys. After selecting this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to reset the network with CMD codes. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these codes used in my video. Copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these three codes, you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fifth solution guys. The fifth solution is to close some Chrome flags. To do this, open up Chrome. You just need to type Chrome : // press enter. In search flags, you just need to search for Chrome refresh 2023. Chrome refresh 2023. Click on the drop down and select disabled. And you just need to scroll down. Chrome web UI refresh 2023. Click on the drop down and select disabled. After disabling both of it, go to search menu and type customize Chrome side panel. You will be get the customize Chrome side panel. Click on the drop down and select disabled and scroll down. Customize Chrome side panel extension card. Click on this drop down and select disabled. After doing this, select relaunch. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.